Hello everyone, after the session of unpacking and unboxing of the machine, here we are with the installation of the machine. Right? As you can see on your screen, this is a 3D printing machine. Right? This is how it looks after the unpacking and unboxing. Right? As you can see on your screen, right now we are actually able to see these panels. Right? This is called the front panel, right? And this is the LCD screen, and this is a jog dial. This is just to move and operate the operations of the machines. Right. Apart from this, we have two side panels as well, one on the left side and other on the right side. Right. And after unpacking of the machine, the parts that you look into the machines are these. Like, first of all, as you can see on the screen, this is a power cable. Right. This is the socket part, and this is the pin part. Right. And apart from this, the thing that you will get in your machine is a glass, which is called as a bed glass, and this is how it looks like. It's a normal glass, right? Right. After this, let's come up with a closer view of the machine. Alright, for the closer view, as you can see on your screen, this is the front panel in front of you, right? For the front panel, we have three options, which are reset, heater and power, which you can read as well. Now, this is a power LED, right? When we give the power to this machines, this LED will glow, right? And the other option is of heater. Now, this is an LED, it glows when we give the heating power to the machine, or when we heat the machine to a particular temperature, right? The third button is of reset, alright? This button is used when there is any problem in the machine, and we can reset, and we can press this button and get the machine reset. Now, after three options, as you can see, there is a dial in the front side of this machine. All right, this panel, we can rotate this panel in a clockwise and anti-clockwise direction as well, and we can press this jog dial as well. This jog dial is used to manage the operations that we are performing right now on the machine. And after this, after the jog dial, we have a part of LCD screen on the front side of our machine. Now, after jog dial, let's move to the other front part of the machine, which is an LCD screen. Alright, this is an LCD screen. It shows all the works, all the performance that we are currently performing with the machines. After the front part of the machine, let us move to the right part of the machine. As mentioned earlier, I said there are right panel and left panel on the sides of the machines. Right? This is the right panel. In right panel, we have two options. One is the power button, and other is the 3-pin socket. Right? For 3-pin socket, as I earlier showed you, the wire, which is power wire, right? You can see again on your screen. So here is an option of a 3-pin inserter, that is a female socket, which is used to insert here in the 3-pin male socket, this way. Right, and the other part is used in the power socket to give a voltage supply of 220 volts. Right, so this is the right panel of the machine. Now, after the right panel, moving on to the left panel of the machine. Now, this is the left panel of the machine, right? Similar to the right panel, here as well we have the two options. One is the USB port, and other option is of SD card, right? If you want to connect your machine through the computer, you can use this USB option, and the other option is of SD card. It is like this is a micro SD card. Right, this is an SD card. Now, you can insert this SD card inside the machine, and you can use this SD card for firing your prints. Alright, you can insert this SD card in this machine by this way. So see, this SD card has been inserted to the left panel and the option of SD card in the machine, right? By using this, again the LCD screen and the jog dial that we have shown earlier, we can use and select the options from the SD cards and select the print and select the file which we want to print. Right, so this is done with the left panel of the SD card. Now for the other options of the machine. After the front and the side parts of the machine, here we are with the back part of the machine. As you can see on the back part of the machines, we have 4 stickers with some details on them, and we have 2 holes here. Now, while unpacking, you'll find this screw in your packing, right? These are the screws that you'll find. Now, these screws are used to hold the spools of the material that we will need to print, right? Now, the way to insert these tools here in the machines is like this. These screws are inserted in these holes, right? So first of all, right, see, look, here is a screw and here is a nut that is used to tighten this, and here are 2 washers. Now, so create some gap in the washer and insert this gap between this hole. In this manner. Right, now please tighten this screw using this nut, right, and in the similar manner the other screw is tightened in this machine. Right, here is the other screw. Right. Now these 2 screws are inserted in these holes of the machine. Now after these holding screws, we have 2 extruder blocks here, right, at the top of the back of the machine. Right. This first, the right one, is used for the main extruder, and this is used for the support extruder. Right. Apart from this, as you can see, these are the extruder tubes here. So these extruder tubes are infilled here from the top of these blocks, but this way,